listings and you see a handful of homes that just might work, you have one question though. Why the $20,000 difference in the list price? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and I want to give you just a little scoop of how realtors work with homeowners to determine their home's listing price. So here we go. The main 4 factors that go into pricing a home. The first factor that goes into pricing a home is where the home sits in proximity to schools, restaurants, parks, and highway access. You see, the location will never change, so this is one of the largest factors influencing price. Second is the size and age. If 2 homes are similar in location, we now check out both homes for square footage and age differences. On one street, you can have as much as a 10 to 15 year difference in age of a home, as well as a difference in square footage. Another factor used to determine the listing price is what's known as comps. Now, realtors use this process called a Comparative Market Analysis, or a CMA for short, to estimate a home's value by seeing what's selling in the area and what's not selling, also at what price point. And last, let's talk about upgrades. A brand new kitchen or a sleek modern master bathroom will always have a demand for a higher listing price than an outdated counterpart. If you're thinking of selling your home and want a clear overview of what your pricing is, make sure you have an experienced real estate agent to help you avoid overpricing or underpricing pitfalls. Curious about what your home is worth in today's market? We're happy to assist. Call today for a free consultation to evaluate what homes are selling for in your neighborhood and how that compares to a possible listing and sale price for your home.